Here is my list of 7 warning signs, which if you see when buying a used car, then you should be very cautious. If any 4 or more of these signs are present, then walk away from that deal. Number 1. Open the hood and look for missing stickers and insulation on the hood and in the engine bay. Missing stickers could mean accidents and repairs. An ultra-clean engine bay, it usually hides leaks and other problems. The engine bay should preferably dusty at the time of inspection. No maintenance history. It's a serious red flag. It means you may run into costly repairs later. Extremely worn out or brand new brake pedal. It means the car has been driven mostly in city stop-and-go traffic, which is not good for any car. Buying from Craigslist, where the deal is executed in cash at public location and not at the owner's home address. Extremely low price, too good to be true. Remember, no one sells for less unless there is a serious issue. Last and most important, if something seems off, just walk away. Human intuition and gut feel takes into account several imperceptible clues, and most times the intuition is extremely reliable even if you are not a car expert. And remember, there are thousands of other cars out there. I do realize that this list is partial at best, and there may be 50 other warning signs which should be listed, but that will make the video very long. I will make more videos on the topic of buying a used car and hopefully will cover those warning signs too. If you have such a list, please mention it in the comments and I will incorporate those in my future videos. Thanks for watching.